So today we are going to be reviewing
the M12FJS.
I want it. I need it.
Hello and welcome to another TopBuild Carpentry's tool review. So today myself, Carl,
And Dave,
are going to be reviewing
the M12FJS. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside the box.
Yeah, let's have a look. I'm excited to see this as we are liking the M12 range from Milwaukee. We've got quite a few of their tools now.
Yeah, there we go.
So inside the box you're going to find your instructions and your warranty.
And it is a lovely box, but yeah, that's finished with.
Onto the good stuff then.
Yep.
So inside here you're going to also find a splinter guard and a dust cover.
Yeah, you've also got a dust extraction adapter and an extra blade, which comes in handy.
Yeah, and actually onto the jigsaw itself. I mean, it feels really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Feels nice. And obviously with us being like bespoke furniture manufacturers, the type of work that we're doing and we're underneath things, cutting everything in awkward angles, like that's going to be a bit of a game changer for us. So what we're going to do, should we get some timber out, Dave, and should we have a little test cut and go from there?
Sounds good.
Yeah, so I can see that this is going to have a good impact with our business. We are outfitting an awful lot, aren't we, Dave?
Yeah.
Wardrobes, fillers, kitchens. I can see with the weight of that.
Yeah, it's 1.5 kg.
Yeah, I can see the weight of that. I can feel it in your hand straight away, how comfortable it is and light. Getting into tight spaces or tight little turns, I can see straight away it's going to be a big game changer. So I'm going to do some test cuts now, show you how it cuts. It's got different variable speeds on here, so we'll talk about all those now. But I'll do some test cuts and we'll go run through from there. So speed wise on this as well.
Yeah, it actually cuts up to 3,000 strokes per minute, so yeah,
So it should be good. So I've got it currently, I've got it set on to its max 3,000, which is level 5 on the back. The oscillation, you have settings on the side here. So I've got that set on level 4 at the moment. It actually cuts really well. Really happy with that. I mean, the one feature that I really do like about this is on the side there you've got a blower, so you can turn that on or off, and basically as you cut in your line it will blow the dust out the way for you, and you can have it on or off, because I suppose if you're cutting upside down, whether it's going to blow things back at you, whether it's that powerful, not that far ahead with it just yet, but I can imagine it's going to be a big thing for us.
It also has an on and off LED switch, so if you're in a dark space, you know, if you haven't got very good visibility,
Brilliant.
Perfect for that.
Yeah, so I'll do some more test cuts. Do you know, I really like that, Dave. Really does. It just feels nice to cut. Yeah, it feels really nice.
Very compact, isn't it, to be fair? Okay, so the M12FJS works with all the batteries in the M12 range.
Yeah, and because we've currently got quite a few of the M12 batteries and M12 tools, we've got a set of the smaller 3.5 amp 12 volts, and I'll be honest, they work fine. Obviously, if you went for the bigger size batteries, they are going to last longer, and I'm sure before we know it, we're going to end up with 6 amps like we always do, Dave, aren't we?
Exactly.
But for now, we've got plenty of these, and they work fine on all our other M12 tools. Now, it also obviously bevels like most jigsaws do, and to get to the bevel, underneath the shoe at the bottom here, you've got an Allen key which is embedded in, and basically straight inside there you'll just release that nut and you can bevel it up to 45 degrees.
Yep.
So the detachable dust port just slots in below there into its groove, and you can put your dust extraction into it. Price in the UK, Dave?
So typically it's 180 to 190 in the UK market, so it's...
Yeah, and that would be for body only, so obviously battery would be separate. Again, that's what we bought, and this review is genuine. You know, Milwaukee haven't gave us this jigsaw. We have bought it for our own use because we are fitting pretty much every day. And if we spot a new tool, don't we, Dave?
Yeah, exactly. We love a new tool.
Yeah, we love a new tool. So when we spot a new tool, we're getting it,
yeah,
and we're going to test it. So yeah, overall, my opinion from cutting and trying out these cuts, I really like it. I mean, it really cuts nice, don't it, Dave?
Really nice, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it cuts nice. And the little features like the dust blower, the lights and stuff like that, and just mainly how it feels in your hand. Obviously doing the type of work that we're doing, it's absolutely perfect for us. So yeah, I'm excited to get it out onto a fit, to be honest. So I hope this video has helped. Do come back, subscribe. We'll be doing more tool videos. We're also doing a lot of like tool videos in general and how we make stuff around the workshop. We've got some big things coming up, haven't we, Dave?
Yeah, we do. And also check out our stuff on Instagram. We have lots of our projects on there which look amazing. So yeah, have a check.
At TopBuild Carpentry over on Instagram. Thanks for watching.